Okay, students, on Friday, I will give you the chapter first of this class, and you completed in your homework copy. And I hope all of you completed my homework. And now today we start the second chapter. And this chapter is fraction and decimal. And this chapter you already study in the previous classes. आप लोगों ने previous classes में इस chapter को बहुत भली भांति पढ़ा है. Fraction and decimal. Previous में आपने class 6 में, class 5th में, class 4th में, class 3rd में you have read fraction and decimal. So first, the definition of fraction. What is fraction? What is fraction? Fraction होता क्या है? The fraction is the part of a whole. And here, look at here. This is the chalk is a full part. But we broken them, and this is the part of this chalk. And this is I will fracture. हमने तोड़ दिया और ये इस पूरे पार्ट का एक टुकड़ा हो गया. But in the fraction, all the parts are equal. सबसे important चीज फ्रैक्शन की होती है कि if you converting into a parts in the fraction, but all the parts are equal. Therefore, if you again broke them, both parts are equal. Both parts are equal. That means fraction is the part of a whole. Here is the rectangle. I will show a rectangle. If we converted equal parts, I'll convert it equal parts. If all the parts are equal, they are called fraction. Okay? Let's suppose we find this part. So what is the part? बेटे यहाँ सामने दिखेगा नहीं. हाँ सामने. What is the part? This is the 1/4 part of this rectangle. Okay? Okay? This is 1/4 part. This is 1/4 part. This is 1/4 part. And this is also a 1/4 part. All the parts are equal. Now look at here. All the parts are equal. If you find these three parts, so we count it 3/4. Here is all the three parts, you add 3/4 of the whole part. That means fraction is the part of a whole, but all the parts are equal. They are called fraction. A fraction की एक simple definition बनती है कि पूरे whole parts का टुकड़ा हो और वो टुकड़ा ऐसा हो कि सभी equal हो, तो उसे हम fraction कहेंगे. Unequal होगा तो fraction नहीं होगी. Okay? Now, and decimal we already know. Converting, we divide. Now first we start the fraction. We start the fraction, some types of fraction in maths, and you already study in your previous classes. First, first a proper fraction. And you know what is proper fraction. You have learned, you have read in the previous classes. Proper fraction means those fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. Those fraction whose numerator is less than denominator, they are called proper fraction. I cannot write the definition. because this definition you have already learned in the previous classes, but I will write the examples here. Example, only I will write the example. 3 by 7, and 3 by 7 is a proper fraction because his numerator is less than denominator. Similarly, we write such types of fraction 1 by 4, 2 by 7, etc. These are proper fraction. Now, our second part of the fraction, improper fraction. Proper fraction. Improper fraction, those fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator. Those fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator, or those fraction whose denominator is less than numerator. So now we reverse this fraction. 7 by 3 is an improper fraction. 4 by 3 is an improper fraction. 7 by 2 is an improper fraction. Okay? It is clear? It is clear? Soumya, clear hai? Raise your hand. Okay. Now, the third, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Now, if the fraction are improper, then you convert the fraction into a mixed fraction. For example, this fraction, 7 by 3, that means 7 is divided by 3. Now we divide. 3 1 ja 3, it comes 4. Now, 1 is the whole part. We write 7 by 3. We write 7 by 3 equal 1 whole 4 by 3. 1 whole 4 by 3. 1 whole 4 by 3. And 1 whole 4 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. This is a improper. If the improper converted into a mixed, first improper convert into a mixed fraction. And now the definition of mixed fraction, this part is the whole part. This is part. This part is a whole part. And this, oh, sorry. I will wrong. 7 divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6. It comes 1. Okay. Now we write 2 whole 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. 2 whole 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Now, this 2 is the whole part and 1 by 3 is the proper part. Now, the definition of the mixed fraction, whole part along with proper part. Whole part along with proper fraction. It also says whole part along with proper fraction, they are called mixed fraction. Okay, the definition comes. Now, this number, we also retain this type also. We also retain this type. 2 plus 1 by 3. This mixed fraction, we also retain in this form. If you take the LCM, number comes same. Okay? इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 2 plus 1 by 3. अगर आप इसका LCM लेंगे तो फिर यही नंबर आ जाएगा. That means you write the mixed fraction into an addition form also. Okay? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को हम एडिशन फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. देखिए हम चेक करके दिखाते हैं. चेक करते हैं. 2 plus 1 by 3. The LCM is 3. And 1 3 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Plus 3 1 ja 3, 1 1 ja 1. And it comes 7 by 3. And this comes as an improper fraction. आ गया कि नहीं आ गया? सेम आ गया. इसका मतलब ये हुआ है कि मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को एडिशन फॉर्म में भी लिखा जा सकता है. ओके, इट इज क्लियर? इट इज क्लियर? सुमित, समझ में आया? रेज योर हैंड. ओके, इसका हम यूज करेंगे इसलिए आपको हमने बता दिया. दिस इज द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. नाउ in this exercise and then some other fraction also for equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction, you know, equivalent fraction. If any fraction you multiply or divide with the same number in the numerator and denominator, fraction always comes as an equivalent fraction. That is the definition. Now we take, let's suppose 1/4. If we multiply 2 into 2, same number in the numerator and denominator, the fraction comes 2 1 are 2, 4 2 are 8, and this is equivalent fraction. 2/8 is an equivalent fraction. Okay, then this number, if you multiply by 3 into 3, it comes 3 2 are 6, 8 3 are 24. Okay, these are equivalent fraction. Or if we divide, let's suppose 6/24, this is a fraction. If we divide the same number in the numerator and denominator, let's suppose it is divisible by 3, it is also divisible by 3. If we divide 3 in the numerator part and if we divide in the denominator part with the same number, the number comes 2/8. And it is an equivalent fraction. ये भी equivalent fraction हुई. The definition of the equivalent fraction, if you multiply or divide with the same number in the numerator and denominator, fraction always comes as an equivalent fraction. Okay, it is clear? Sadiq Khan, it is clear? Soumya, it is clear? Okay. Now we start the chapter. Before start this chapter, one fraction we also discuss, comparing of the fraction. Pairing of the fraction. If you given 2 or more than 2 fraction, the first we start, if you given a 2 fraction, let's suppose 1/3 and 1/8, which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller? In comparing, you always find greater and smaller number. So first, if you find which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller, so we use cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication, we easily find which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller. This one is multiplied by 8 and this 3 multiplied by this number. Now we multiply 1 into 8 and this 3 into 1. 1 8 is 8 and 3 1 is 3. Which number is greater, 8 or 3? Obviously 8 is the bigger number. Therefore this 8 shows this fraction. This 8 shows this fraction and this 3 shows this fraction. That means 1 by 3 is the bigger fraction than 1 by 8. So you easily find which fraction is greater and smaller by cross multiplication. But this method, that means the cross multiplication method, only applicable on two fractions. ये मेथड केवल दो ही फ्रैक्शन पे लागू होगा. But more than two, then we use the another method. Okay, 1 by 3. एट, ये फ्रैक्शन, ये 8 इस फ्रैक्शन को डिनोट करेगी, ये 8 इस फ्रैक्शन को डिनोट करेगी. ओके, 1 by 3 is greater and 3 is the smaller number, therefore 1 by 8 is the smaller fraction. आगे बात समझ में? ये 3 इसको शो करेगा, ये 8 इस फ्रैक्शन को शो करेगा. आया समझ में? लेकिन हमेशा याद रखोगे कि इसका न्यूमरेटर, फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर सेकंड फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ, और फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर सेकंड फ्रैक्शन के न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, वो सेकंड तरफ होगी. ठीक है? ओके, यू हैव नाउ more than 3, more than 2 fractions. If more than 2 fraction, then you cannot apply the cross multiplication method. Look at here, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. You find which fraction is smaller and which fraction is greater. I don't know. So for in this types of question, first you convert into the same denominator. इस तरह के अगर आपके क्वेश्चन आते हैं और कंपैरिजन करना है, तो हम इनके डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट का एलसीएम लेंगे. ओके, तो वी टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5 का एलसीएम क्या होगा? आप जानते हो, 2, 3, 5. 2 1 2, 3 5, 3 टाइम्स जाएगा 5 और 5 टाइम्स 5 to the 10, 10 to the 30. The LCM of this comes 30. That convert the denominator into 30. सभी के डिनोमिनेटर को 30 बनाएंगे. तो 30 बनाने के लिए इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बनाएंगे. तो 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि किससे 30 हो जाए? 15. 5 3 जा 15. We multiply into 15, 2 into 15, and it comes as an equivalent fraction. Won't change हुआ fraction में. Now 1 into 10, 3 into 10, it comes 30. 10 to the 30. Now we 5, 3 to the 6, 1 into 6, 5 into 6. Okay. Now we multiply 15 by 30, 10 by 30, and 6 by 30. All the denominators are same. That means if you comparing more than 2, then you applying into the same denominator method. We converted same denominator. And this fraction, those numerator is greater, they are greater fraction. अगर डिनोमिनेटर आपने सेम कर लिया है, तो जिसका न्यूमरेटर बिगर होगा वही फ्रैक्शन बिगर होगी. देखिए इसमें कौन सा बिगर है? 15. There 1 by 2, 15 है. तो फर्स्ट वी अरेंज करते हैं 50 by 30. देन ऑलरेडी अरेंज, दिस फ्रैक्शन अरेंज फॉर्म में है ही, इसको अरेंज करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. सेकंड पर 10 आएगा, थर्ड पर 60 आएगा. तो our fractions bigger to smaller, this is the bigger, that's 1 by 3 second number पे आएगी, and 1 by 5 is the smaller fraction. Okay, ये सबसे छोटी, ये सबसे बड़ी. Okay, now we start this exercise. अब हम इस एक्सरसाइज को स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये तो हमने कंपैरिजन बता दिया। Now we start the exercise 2.1. The first question. Question 1. The part first, 2 minus 3 by 5. Now, look at it. In the previous classes, this types of question we already solved. It has also some methods you solve these problems. Now, first method, LCM method. I will. Every number is divisible by 1. You know, every number is divisible by 1. अगर किसी नंबर में डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट नहीं दिखता है तो समझ लीजिए कि उसके नीचे 1 होता है, क्योंकि हर एक नंबर 1 से डिविजिबल होता है। जहां जरूरत पड़ती है लिखते हैं, जहां नहीं पड़ती है हम उसे शो नहीं करते। Now we take the LCM 5. Now 1, which number we multiply, it comes 5. 1 5s are 5, and those number you multiply, it multiply to the numerator part also. So 1 5s are 5, 5 to the 10. Okay. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are how many times? 1 time. And this one multiplied by 3, it comes 3 1s are 3. Now we subtract 7 by 5. And this is an improper fraction. And improper fraction convert into a mixed fraction. So 7 divided by 5, 5 1s are 5, remainder comes 2, 2 by 5. That is our answer. Now, my second method. This question we solve another method. My second method is method converting into the same denominator. So first we multiply. Here the denominator is 5. Look at here, please. Here is the denominator 5, and this denominator we want. Then we convert into the same denominator. If we 1 multiply by 5, it comes the denominator 5. Then this number you convert it into an equivalent fraction. 2 into 5, 1 into 5. It is an equivalent fraction, and minus 3 by 5. Now 5 to the 10, 5 1s are 5, minus 3 by 5. Both the denominator are same. Both the denominator are same. If the denominator are same, and in the numerator number, here the sign is minus, then you subtract. Here the sign is addition, then you add. A minus 3 by 5, and it comes 7 by 5. Similar number it comes. And we write 1 whole 2 by 5. Both are same answer. आ गया समझ में? देखिए इसका बहुत आसान है। अगर हम इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शन बना दें तो भी हम उसका आंसर वही ला सकते हैं। यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर 5 था, मैंने 5 से इस 1 को 5 बनाने के लिए न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। और इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शन कहती है कि सेम नंबर से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई करने पर फ्रैक्शन में कोई चेंज नहीं होता। हमने 5 से कर दिया, 10 by 5 हो गया। हमने नीचे 5 लिख दिया और इसको 10 minus 3 कर दिया, क्योंकि ऐसा फ्रैक्शन था। It comes 7 by 5. Both are the same number. That means so many methods you have solved the fraction. Okay? जो मेथड आपको अच्छा लगे उसका यूज कर सकते हो। Now, okay? Can I erase it? Roshan Giri? Roshan? Raise your hand. Now, question number 3rd of this question, 3 by 5, 2 by 7. किस टाइप से करें, किस मेथड से? Can you tell me? First or a second? First. In first method, we take the LCM. And the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35 already, because both are the twins prime number. Twins prime number का LCM उनका multiple ही होता है. So we write here 7 5 is 35, 5 7 is 35, 7 3 is 21, plus 7 5 is 35, 5 2 is 10. It comes 31 by 35. Okay, and this is the improper fraction, and that is our answer. Okay, this is a proper fraction. Sorry, this is proper fraction. Okay, मुझसे निकल गया गलती से. I am very sorry. This is proper fraction, not an improper. Okay. Now, which question? Now, question number. Which question I will solve it? Question number 6. 6 part. 6 part. 6 part 2 whole 2 by 3 plus 3 whole 1 by 2. Okay. Now look at here. Look at here. First, you convert into the improper form. 3 2 is 6 plus 2. 8 by 3. 3 2 is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8 upon 3. Plus 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 by 2. We convert it into the improper form. Now we take the LCM of the denominator part, and both numbers are prime numbers, and the LCM of the prime number, it's multiple, and 3 2 is 6. Okay. Now 3 2 is 6, 2 8 is 16, plus 2 3 is 6, and 3 7 is 21, and 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 1 3, and 6. Now it is an improper form, then you convert it into the mixed form. 6 6 is 36, remainder comes 1. 6 whole 1 by 6. That is our answer. Okay, it is clear? रोशन गिरी, समझ में आया? हाथ खड़ा करो. Raise your hand. Aryan Gupta. Aryan Gupta. It is clear? Okay. Okay. Sumit Tiwari. Are you understand? Okay. Any problem? कोई दिक्कत? No. And this is very easy. These are the class 4th, 5th questions. Now, 7 number. 8 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 5 by 8. Okay? So first we convert into improper form. 8 2 is 16 plus 1 17 by 2 minus 3 8 is 24 plus 5 Sumit, are you listening my voice? Sumit, okay, it is clear. It is clear. Any problem? Tell me. Tell me. Okay, okay. आर्यन गुप्ता का मैं म्यूट करूं, अनम्यूट कर दूं. आर्यन, आर्यन,
Yes,
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
yes, sir.
इसमें कोई
Yes,
प्रॉब्लम?
sir.
प्रॉब्लम इस क्वेश्चन में कोई
No,
प्रॉब्लम?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. Any problem in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now, question number second. Question number second. Question number second. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending means greater to or smaller. Arrange. Arrange. Descending order.
Arrange the following in
Descending order. Don't make eyes. Please look at here. I have solved the first part, and the other part you have solved 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. Already we discussed, if more than two numbers, and you compare, because you have write the descending order, then you comparing the number, which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So first you convert into the same denominator, and same denominator you convert to first take the LCM of the denominator part. The LCM of 9, 3, 21. Now we take the LCM. 9, 3, 21. Now it is 3, 3 are 9, 3, 7 are 21, 3, 1 are 3, 3, 1 are 3, 7, 1, 1, 1. Now the LCM of 3, 3 are 9, 9, 7 are 63. That means the LCM is 63. Now we convert all the denominator into 63. Now 2 into 9. Which number we multiply 9? It comes 63. 9, 7, 3, 3, 9. We multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. Now 2 by 3. Which number you multiply 3 comes to 63. So 3 plus 3, 7, 3 is 21. If you multiply in the numerator and denominator part by 21, it comes 63. Now again, 8 upon 21. Which number you multiply? 21. 3. 7, 3 is 21. You multiply by 3, it comes 63. Okay? Now, 7 2 is 14 by 63. 21 2 is 40 by 63. 8 3 is 24 by 63. Now we, all the denominator are same. देखिए सारे denominator same हो गए. अब those number whose numerator is greater, those fraction is a greater fraction. बहुत आसान हो गया. Now we write descending. In descending order, first we write the bigger fraction. Whose number is greater? 42. So first we write 42 by 63. So first you write here descending order as descending order. We write here descending order. First, this is the bigger fraction, just smaller than 42. Which number is 24 or 40? 24. So we write the 24 by 63, and this, at the last, the smaller fraction. Now, those fraction you write the original fraction. This is my 2 by 3 fraction. 2 by 3. 24. This is my 8 by 21. And this fraction 14 by 63 is 2 by 9. And that is our answer. यही हमारा आंसर है. It is clear? Shambi Singh? शाम्भी, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? नहीं। शाम्भी, शाम्भी, मेरी आवाज आ
Yes,
रही है?
sir.
समझ में
Yes,
आया?
sir.
देखिए,
Yes, sir.
अगर मोर देन 2 फ्रैक्शन होगा, हिंदी में हम एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दें, तो पहले आप इसका एलसीएम लेंगे। यहाँ एलसीएम 63 आया, सबके डिनोमिनेटर को 63 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो बहुत आसान होता है। 9 एलसीएम वाले पार्ट में 9 जो आ रहा है उसको दबा लीजिए, 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में। सिमिलरली हमने 21 से दूसरी में और 3 से तीसरी में, क्योंकि ये 63 देखिए। और जो हमें डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहता है राइट द नंबर बिगर टू स्मॉलर, तो आवर बिगर फ्रैक्शन इज 42/63, पहले वो, फिर उससे जो जस्ट स्मॉलर है 24, और सबसे लास्ट में सबसे छोटी वाली फ्रैक्शन। और इनकी ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन अब इनके सामने लिखेंगे। 42 की फ्रैक्शन थी 2/3, 24 की फ्रैक्शन थी 8/21, और 14/63 जो फ्रैक्शन है 2/9, एंड दैट इज आवर आंसर। ओके, इट इज
Yes,
क्लियर?
sir.
ओके, that is our answer. The second part of this question, you have done it. You have done it. Okay? Okay. Now today, only 2 questions I will give you in your homework copy. हम 2 ही question देंगे, और now next day we start the question number 3. कल से हम question number 3 पर start करेंगे। आज आप लोगों का इतना ही होमवर्क है, इसको करिए। और now एक और जरूरी आपको मैसेज दे दें कि 15 से 20 के बीच में आपके यूनिट फर्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन होंगे। किसी भी डेट आ जाएगी आपकी, आप सभी लोगों को मैसेज जाएगा। टुडे इज 15, तो 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, these are 5 days. बिटवीन 5 days इन्हीं के बीच में आपके यूनिट फर्स्ट के एग्जामिनेशन हेल्ड होंगे। तो सभी बच्चे, जितना हमने पढ़ा है, तो क्लास 7 में तो हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ा है, तो फर्स्ट चैप्टर पे से ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे। क्वेश्चन का नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन आएंगे 20, टोटल मार्क्स भी आपके 20 मार्क्स होंगे। और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन, सारे ही ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, लेकिन सभी बच्चों को हम लोगों के सामने बैठ के देना है। सबकी फोटोज कंप्यूटर में है, इसलिए मेहनत से पढ़िएगा, अच्छे से तैयारी कर लीजिएगा। किसी को भी अपने पास मत बैठाइएगा, और कोई भी मोबाइल का यूज ना करें, क्योंकि आप मोबाइल का यूज करेंगे 20 मिनट्स का ही पेपर भी होगा, 20 और 30 मिनट्स पेपर। अगर आप किसी